Hello guys, nice to have you back. Here is Frenda's sidecar tutorial. So far we've learned about features in view, geometry, technique setting, which enable us quickly draw graphics and set basic techniques. This sort, group, fly cut, and co-edge help us to simplify cutting paths to be efficient. Today we're gonna learn a few more features of layers, task, and fine edge, as well as how to use machine control panel. Let's start with the machine control panel. First of all, we need to figure out the difference between floating coordinate and workpiece coordinate. Machine coordinate is a fixed system. To facilitate flexible cutting tasks, SideCut applies floating coordinate and workpiece coordinate. Direction definition in different coordinate system is the same. The only difference is 0-point position. The white box is machine bed, and the red cross is laser head. On the floating coordinate, laser starts cutting from where it stands. 0-point is current position of laser head. Take this position. We can start right from the point. And if we move to another position, it will start right from it. Floating coordinate usually used in small batch cutting tasks. Under workpiece coordinate, we've got a default 0-point with its position 0, 0. But 0-point is a user-defined position under workpiece coordinate. SideCut allows user set 9 workpiece coordinates of different 0-point. During the process, if the cutting head was moved to other position, so long as it gets an instruction to start, it will return to the graphic that next to the defined 0-point, and then start cutting. This coordinate used in mass production scenario that a large quantity plates of same size placed in same position on machine bed, which also requires a 0-point of fixed position. Down below, with these buttons, we can jog along the X, Y, Z axis. We can change jog speed, and set a fixed jog distance. Jog cut used to cut off plates. When selected, the cutting head will start to follow. Blow while jogging. And here, we can set the jogging parameter. Beside, this is burst power. Sometimes, according to need, we move the cutting head to certain position. This mark was to mark the position with a little flag. And even if the head was moved away, by one click on Go Marker, we can go back to the position. We support 6 marks at most at the same time. Under floating coordinate, sometimes we may lose 0-point position because of misoperation. Like we stop processing, move the head and directly start again. When that happens, In the drop-down menu of Marker, select Marked 0 and then Go Marker, and we can return to the 0 point of the last processing. The program will always keep the former 0 point. And we've got Shutter. Select it to enable laser. Aiming, which is the guide laser, and click Laser to cut. Hit Follow. The cutting head will follow to the plate. In the machine control panel, we've got Start, which means to start to process. And we can also pause, resume and stop during the process. And here, Fast Resume is to resume without piercing. Or we can go back or forward to adjust the resume position. Set the move distance right down here when we stop processing without finishing it, and accidentally move away the cutting head. Click Position Locate. This button, we can get back to the breakpoint. Click Position Continue will directly resume from the breakpoint. We also support manually locate the breakpoint and resume from it. After the